I think the emerging risks are all the risks that companies are looking at today but have not adapted to a view to tomorrow. So I think one of the biggest problems companies have today is that they look at their existing exposure as of today and don't establish some foresight into what they need for tomorrow and what that exposure might be for tomorrow, and doing that in a dynamic way so that they can respond to the unexpected circumstances of tomorrow.
I guess there are many emerging risks, but I do see cultural risk as one of the most important risks, and that has primarily to do with the fact that there's so much new regulation coming on, so much more activities that companies have to do that they sometimes forget what they can actually stop doing. So they need to actually get some of the processes off the table and focus on the new world.
I think the biggest risk is trying to run your business and comply with the regulation at the same time. So essentially having different goals, but very tight deadlines to meet, which means it is very easy to take off your eye of one of the goals, and that can be quite catastrophic. Apart from that, a number of other risks in external world has been discussed in this event, and pretty much all the insurers are aware of it. But I believe a latent risk is having different goals and very tight deadlines to meet those goals well.
The one all the companies would quote is regulatory change. The one we would probably see from an EY perspective as the greatest would be cyber risk, and then more fundamentally looking past that would be the new entrants to the market, so the risk of real disruption, the likes of Amazon, Google looking to come in and displace traditional insurance players who don't have that strong strength of presence and position with their customers. So that could be a multi-year trend though.
I think one of the main risks for 2014 is going to be the cyber threat, and in particular in accordance with the new data protection legislation.